Ngayon guys, tuturuan natin kayo kung paano natin isosolve yung number 3. First step, lagay muna natin lahat ng given. So, nasa given dun is F is equals to 500k tapos rate equals to 0.07, tapos yung time natin is 5 years. Tapos yung M naman natin is equals to 2 since semi-annually siya. At yung N natin equals lang natin to 2 times 5 years. So, equivalent to 10. At yung I natin, i-compute natin siya using this formula guys. I equals to R over M. Let's substitute. So, 0.07 over 2 is equals to 0.035. So, nakuha na natin yung interest value. So, let's substitute the all given sa ating formula. R equals to 500k times the interest rate 0.035 over parenthesis 1 plus 0.035 close parenthesis raised to 10 minus 1. So let's compute na guys. First of all, ito times muna natin to. I'm using scientific calculator by Desmos, kaya shortcut ko na. So if kinumpute mo to by step, magiging sagot mo pa rin is R equals to 42,620.68. Ayan. At let's solve din yung ang hinahanap ay beginning. So, ang gagamitin for nating formula is F equals to R close parenthesis 1 plus I close parenthesis N plus 1 minus 1. So, let's over I. So, magpuput din tayo ng negative sign dito. Negative 1 kasi ayun yung nasa formula. So, ayan, nasulat na natin yung formula. So, let's substitute kung ano yung mga nandun. 'Di ba? Ito yung R. So, gagamitin natin tong R. So, ito yung magagamit natin dito. Fx is equals to what? R. Ito yung R. Kukunin natin tong R na to. So, gagamitin ko 620.68 close natin to using this one, and then let's close parenthesis plus 1 plus 0.035 ilan yung natin? 10 plus 1 is equal to 11 minus 1. So, let's over and then close parenthesis natin to, tapos lagay natin ng negative 1. Ay, let's substitute. Ito na, sa substitute na natin guys. Na-substitute ko na pala yan. Dapat pala maglalagay ako dito ng 0.035. Tama ba? Nalagay na natin lahat. So, ang magiging sagot dito, pag nilagay natin sa scientific calculator, is equal to 517,499.95. So, ayun lang ang magiging sagot. By the way, my name is James Christian A. Salazar. I'm from 12 Cornell. At dito na nagtatapos ang aking BASMAT tutorial. Peace out.